So when you finish making that, you can quickly export that as we already mentioned at the very beginning at the Chrome extension website documentation. It's better to be PNG, okay, because it better supports transparency. So file exports, and we got the quick export at PNG, which is brilliant. Okay, so I already exported that. So if I save it, it will just replace. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so remember we start this file as 128 by 128. So that means this icon, that export icon, is really small. So basically, if you open that, it will be something like this. Okay, but is that enough? Obviously, it's not enough. We got multiple like file size to worry about. So how to dealing with the file size? Of course, what you can do is change the whole size and export a different, the different size. Okay, so really simple here. So basically, you just need to do something. If you're using Photoshop, you can do something like this. And so basically in the Photoshop, you have like two ways of doing that, but one is the wrong way. Okay, so basically you go to the, I believe it's image. You can change the canvas size, which is the wrong way. Okay, if you change the canvas size to say 16 by 16, you will crop it. So basically, if you proceed with just to crop it without changing whatever is inside, you just change the whole canvas size by cropping everything out. It's like what you draw is underneath it and cropping them. Okay, you don't want that. Obviously, if you just saw design, you got a bigger picture and you want to crop it, you can do that. Okay, and you can just use the crop functionality here. So basically, you do that and you edit it. You got this ratio. You can customize this ratio. It's just all sort of a fancy way of doing that. But since this is not a Photoshop bootcamp, but rather is a like a Chrome extension development bootcamp, so I'm not going to go into that depth. Okay, but by the way, I also got a series of art series because I'm also working at this art. I design everything myself. You can sort of see that, feel the vibe. Okay, so yeah, but let's focus on what's the task at hand. So image, we can just change the image size by linking everything here. Okay, remember we got tons of suggestions. So 16, 35, 48, 128. So basically whatever you want. I want to demonstrate the 16 by 16 because I want to showcase how small the favicon it is, and you can see that it's a kind of like a pixel art, as I quickly mentioned. Okay, so obviously sometimes you don't want something like that, so you want to redraw this, because pixel art you got sort of like because the algorithm, you got like a calculated algorithm, a color in between. And so for example, this is not so as sharp as you may expect it. You just need to like brush your pen and all that. You just you modify that. Okay, doesn't really matter because we are not going to worry too much. We just want to demonstrate the whole process. But if you do that, you want to fine tune it. You want to do everything perfect. You want to control everything without using AI to do that. You can do this, and you can do this yourself by changing the size. Okay, really simple. Okay, and then after you change the size, it's just a file, and then export another, right? Export the PNG, another PNG, another PNG, another PNG, until you fulfill all the requirements. So basically, you got like icon, all that, and then manifest .png, 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 something like that. Okay, really simple.